How to delete chat on ChatGPT. Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Talks. To delete chat on ChatGPT, open any of your web browser. Here I'll be opening Google Chrome. Now on top of your screen, you can see this search box. So click on that and then search for ChatGPT. Type in chat.openai.com. Now after in ChatGPT, you can see this double dash icon on top left hand side of the screen. So click on that. Now here you can see all of your chat history. So select the chat that you want to delete. So tap on the chat to open the chat. After opening the chat, click on the sidebar again. Now on right hand side of the chat name, you can see this three dots. So click on that and then you will see this pop-up menu. So here you can see delete icon. So simply click on this to delete the chat. Again you will see this pop-up. So click on delete. This is how you delete chat conversation on ChatGPT. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more helpful tutorials.